The Surfing Australia High Performance Centre is the world's first dedicated surf training facility. Based at Casuarina Beach in northern New South Wales, the High Performance Centre offers surfers of all levels and ability direct access to Surfing Australia's highly qualified staff and the very latest cutting-edge training and coaching programs.
The Surfing Australia High Performance Centre came about through a need to really work towards development of high performance athletes. So we needed a really strong base and somewhere that can really work with their athletes and be that home that surfers know if they go to that location they're going to get the very best in training and sports science and coaching.
Catering to all surfers' needs and timetables, the Surfing Australia HPC offers a wide range of programs from weekly surfing squads for junior and adult groups, plus private one-on-one group surf coaching for every level of surfer.
Here at the HPC, we don't just pigeonhole for the elite surfers, we cater for every ability, all the way from novice all the way to professional ranks. Everybody comes to the HPC purely just to surf better, stronger. We can cater for everybody.
Using the latest in video analysis technology, the HPC and Silicon coaching program enables coaches and surfers the ability to locate and rectify weak points instantly and effectively.
It's pretty amazing. Now they can just log it onto a computer, they can match it up with different things, they can match turns.
The HPC uses Silicon Coach only as an aid. When they split screen to a model, they pinpoint it so accurately that they can change it almost instantly.
For me, the HPC has always been such a great facility. I've been involved with it since I was probably 12, 13. It's been an opportunity for me to just constantly develop my surfing.
The HPC is also proud to support the exclusive Surfing Australia Pro Surfer camps.
You know, when I was growing up, you didn't have all those things right there available. It's really cool. I think it's a good thing that Surfing Australia's just come and given the kids an opportunity to go and hang out with different pros.
Growing up when I was young, I was always around Mick Fanning and Joel Parkinson and Dean Morrison, and I was always watching them and just watching them surf intently and watching their every move. The knowledge from the pros is right here in front of you, and you just learn so much.
I reckon it's great for Australian surfing to have these camps and the whole centre. It's so good for kids, and I wish they had it when I was 12.
The Pro Surfer camps are designed to bring the world's best male and female professional surfers and the next generation of Australian surfers together. A new $3 million surf-specific facility is being designed and due for completion by early 2012.
Young surfers from around Australia and also around the globe can access the high performance coaching at the High Performance Centre. From that facility, there will be a seriousness probably never before seen in surfing.
I'd like to see that Australian junior athletes, when they come through, they know that there's only one way that you can really be the best possible surfer you can, and that is to access the amazing programs we've got at the High Performance Centre.
And for Australia to maintain its dominance, we have to be proactive and be always looking to improve our programs, and that's exactly what we're doing.
Created with the Australian surfing future in mind, the new HPC will feature a cutting-edge training and coaching environment geared towards exposing each of the 3,000 annual participants to the highest levels of coaching and guidance available.
The Surfing Australia High Performance Centre has been a great benefit to Australian surfing.
And the results are starting to speak for itself, as evidenced by the Australian team that comes and trains there regularly, have won the last 5 world titles.
That's a great pat on the back, and we know that our programs are reaching what we set out to do, and we are taking those surfers to the next level.
We want to be seen as the most cutting-edge training facility for our sport globally.
To have such a great facility just here, it keeps me confident in my own ability because I know I'm getting the best knowledge out of the coaches and everything that's here.
With Surfing Australia now officially acknowledged as a priority sport by the Australian Sports Commission, Surfing Australia and the HPC are committed to excellence and focused on maintaining Australia's reputation as the world's leading surfing nation.